Hello, my friends call me Ace. Welcome to our tutorials. Today we will learn a little about research. So, first of all, what is research? By definition, research is a logical and systematic search for new and useful information on a particular topic or field. Research is generally important in scientific and non-scientific fields, and research is mainly classified into fundamental or basic research and applied research. What is basic research? This is also called theoretical research. It investigates or studies the basic principles and reasons for the occurrence of a particular event, process, or phenomenon. It also studies the natural phenomenon itself or the phenomena relating to pure sciences. Applied research. This is also called practical research. This research solves problems by applying known and acceptable theories and principles. In fact, most experimental research, case studies, and interdisciplinary research are essentially applied research. So, basic research generally differs from applied research because the outcome of basic research might not lead to immediate use or application. Basic research is not concerned with solving any practical problems or immediate interest. It is original in nature. It provides a systematic and deep insight into a problem. It facilitates extraction of scientific and logical explanation and conclusion. It helps to build new frontiers of knowledge. And lastly, the outcome of basic research generally forms the basis of many applied research. What about applied research? Here, the outcome may be used or applied immediately. It is not concerned with theoretical problems, as it's generally a practical research. It is derivative in character. It provides a practical approach into a problem. It facilitates application of scientific and logical solutions. Generally helpful for basic research. And the outcome forms basis for field applications. So, generally, basic research seeks to generalize, while applied research does not generalize. It's focused on case studies, Basic research aims at the basic processes, while applied research aims at the variable which makes the desired or important change. Basic research attempts to explain why things happen, while applied research explains how things happen or how things can be changed. Basic research tries to get all the facts, while applied research tries to correct the facts which are problematic. Basic research report is written in technical language of the particular topic or subject, while applied research report is written in commonly understood language. So, what do they have in common? Both basic and applied research can be normal research, which is following a set of rules, concept, procedures called a paradigm. And as we know, paradigms are generally acceptable by the scientific and academic communities. On the other hand, basic and applied research could be revolutionary. That means they do not follow any known standards, but they aim to revolutionize research, find new ideas, and look into uncharted territory. In subsequent classes, we will look at the different research methods such as qualitative research, quantitative research, mixed research, as well as alternative research methods. Please like and subscribe to our channel today.